camping site. As part of Kilimanjaro, my training is that I'm going to be camping out here. So as you can see, I've got my wonderful sleeping bag so I can have a power nap out here. So let's get this set up. So there, I am all set and ready, and I think it's nice and easy and to operate. I think I should get myself comfy inside, because you know, after the long day's walk, you need to rest. So I'm going to be practicing sleeping on the floor in my trusted sleeping bag. Got my nice pillow, and because on Kilimanjaro we have no connection to the outer world or whatever. There's no internet access or Wi-Fi, you know. So I suggest to keep yourself entertained when having a break in that. I've got my trusted book to read, so there's some nice stories to entertain myself. And yeah, I mean, this is so nice, chilling outside in nature. It's very different to the bed, obviously, and yes, at certain parts of Kilimanjaro you do tend to sleep on a slope. So I mean, as you can see, I'm like kind of falling but not falling. So yeah, let me do a bit of reading some nice stories in the peaceful beauty of nature. I hope there's no cucarachas or anything. Oh gosh. Okay. I think I'm done with my power nap. I don't know, there's all these creepy crawlies, but let's see if I survive better on Kilimanjaro. Now, our next tip, which is very essential for survival on Kilimanjaro, is you need to become one with nature. So I shall show you how to become one with nature. So, to become one with nature, firstly, we are going to do some meditation, and while meditating, we are going to listen to nature. We're going to listen to the leaves shaking, the birds chirping, and the wind blowing. So let's begin and sink in with nature. The next thing to do is hug a tree. Oh, hello tree. Oh, I love you tree. You're so nice tree. Oh, thanks for giving me all the oxygen tree. Oh, you are so nice and caring. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't be able to survive. Give me all your oxygen tree. All your oxygen. Hello beautiful plants, how are you? Oh, you guys guys are looking so good. Where's all the oxygen? Oh, we need lots of oxygen on Kilimanjaro. Take it all in. So, the last and final thing to do is to be friends with nature. So, let me introduce you to my new best friend, Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Say hi to everyone there, Rocky. So, me and Rocky, we have become very good friends, and we are going to play a game of rock, paper, scissors. Let's go. Ching chong cha. Oh, you win. Yeah. Ching chong cha. Oh, you win again. Ching chong cha. Oh, truce. So guys, there you have it, my new friend Rocky. Yo peeps, if you enjoy my crazy videos, then please do the following.
I like it. I'll share it.
And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos.